for my phone's almost out of room. You'll need a jar, big jar, or a 1-quart jar. I usually use a 2-quart jar. I probably gave you the equivalent of about 1 scoop. In a big jar I usually put 2, but you could put 1 and let it grow. In the bottom, I gave you the recipe. Then you need unsulfured dried fruit. I find apricots work best. I put in like 4. I got 5 left in this bag. I'll just throw them in. Then you put in some sugar. White sugar seems to work best, unfortunately, but I've gotten some organic, non-GMO. I put in like 1/4 of a cup to 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Then the most important thing is water. It shouldn't have chlorine in it, so if you have just tap water, let it sit for 24 hours, or put some citric acid in it or something. Reverse osmosis water isn't very good. You need minerals. I've got well water here from my parents. So you pour that in. Very simple. There's the water. Then I usually cover it with a paper cloth, like paper towel, and I write my date on the top. I've got to change the date on that, and put the ring. Now I let it sit for 2 days. After 2 days it looks like this. And then you strain out, the fruit will have risen to the top. Strain out those pieces of fruit. I save them in a little bowl. In the fridge or the freezer, I use them to make breads out of later. You can throw them away, or even eat them. Then you take the liquid and you put it in these jars you can get at IKEA.